What's your secret to staying so thin?
Give me a different pen. Climbing it.
Welcome to this week's episode of Walkthrough Wednesday. As you see, I'm starting in the body shop this week because today is a really big day here at Penny's Garage. Our 68 Camaro project for Mala has made its way to the body shop. So Tony and Brian did a great job of knocking out all the body panels and getting all the metal work done, and now it's up here for Kevin and Jeremy and all these guys to work their body shop magic with all of our 3M collision repair products. You can see we've had to replace the roof. We've cut off the drip rails. We've meshed these together all nice, so there's a lot less body work to do than normal. I've got the gaps fit tight on the deck lid here, that we showed you last week. So, a couple weeks time, this should be ready to head back down to assembly. Can't wait. So we'll be updating you on this project in next week's video, so make sure to watch that. Let's head this way. The next project we want to show you guys, we just started this last week. This is actually a regular cab, short bed, two-wheel drive truck that we're going to be lowering. It's got a supercharger on there, and Mitch is working on it right now. Mitch, can you tell us a little bit what's going on underneath the hood here?
Just finished topping off, putting a 700 horse upgrade on the F-150 here. Getting ready to get some lowering stuff in here. We're going to lower it on the ground. Get the CG down.
Yeah.
So this thing's going to handle.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a handling truck.
Handling truck. So, Mitch has got his trusty stool here for these trucks.
Much too short to work on.
So we're really excited about this. We haven't really done a sport truck until now, so this will be a first. And I know I'm really big into sport trucks. I like those, so excited to see how this turns out. Thank you, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Heck yeah.
So, for everybody back home, you've seen Tony the past couple episodes. Tony's one of our lead fabricators, helped Brian just finish up that Camaro, and this is one of his personal rides. If you don't mind, tell us a little bit about the car.
Yeah, this is a Mustang that we bought several years ago, so then this is the wife's car. So we brought the thing, and there's a little rust coming door, so we'll get time to fix it. So it's going to take like a couple of weeks or months to work on it, so 4 years later, basically. So you kind of work on it.
Always how that goes, eh?
It does. You work on it between other projects. Then you're working here, so I brought the car here, the roll bar, and the paint and all was done here at the shop.
Here, let's take a look inside and see that roll bar.
Yeah. It's awful magic in there, sir.
No, man, it's all good. That's because you drive it. Tony's actually getting this car ready for Power Tour.
Yeah.
So if you're going to be on Hot Rod Power Tour, you will see Tony out there.
Yep, we're going.
Can we pop the hood?
Yep. Yeah, we done the thing. This car was kind of a agglomeration of everybody here that kind of got together.
Man, check that out.
We twin turboed. It's 347 cubic inches. It goes down the road awful good. The turbos, you don't know they're there until you push the gas, and it comes alive. So it's a lot of fun to drive the thing.
What do you got for suspension?
I actually got the Ride Tech air ride on the thing.
Awesome.
So it's
so it'll bag to the ground.
We set it down, so right now it's ride down the road height, and it acts like it's supposed to. You hit bumps, it's smooth, it corners good and flat, it acts like it's supposed to. So.
Yeah. Well, Tony, we really appreciate you taking the time to show it to us. I know every time you bring this car in, I'm excited, so glad everybody else gets to see it too.
It's fun, fun hot rod.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
So, like I said, we moved the 68 Camaro up to the body shop, so you're probably wondering what's next for our fabricators. Well, this is it right here. This is a 1970 Chevelle that has actually already been heavily modified, and it's different because normally we don't get projects in that are already taken to this level. Owner had another shop do it, and they did a fantastic job getting it to where it is, but I don't think he was happy with the timeline, so we're going to take over from here. It's got a full roaster shop chassis in it. See the Tremec transmission. Move around to the engine bay here. I believe we have an LSX block with LS7 heads. You see the long tube headers coming off there, and this really cool fabricated aluminum intake here that actually sucks air in from the back. So I can't tell you we figured out how we're gonna make that work yet, but we're going to. Like I said, lots of custom sheet metal work. We've got big plans for the front end, so stay tuned on this one. We'll be updating you guys here pretty frequently. Hey Gary, it looks like you're buttoning up this Challenger here. Can you give me a little insight of what we got under the hood?
Yeah, this guy's got a 426 built NA motor that he's wanting to switch to for the Pro Charger, of course. It's got an F1A on it. So we put a Supercharger cam in it, got rid of the NA cam, and did the exhaust valves on it so it would stand the boost, the heat, you know, and won't burn up. And then putting it back together, getting it buttoned up now. We'll make smoke for the day's over.
Yeah. How much horsepower do you think we're at? 800, 900?
Depends on what boost. I dropped it down to 4.25 pulley on it, so it should jump somewhere around 12, 15 pounds.
That's pretty hefty there.
And yeah, she's gonna be making somewhere around high 6s, low 7s to the wheel.
Well, thanks so much, Gary. We can't wait to see this thing get on the dyno, and we'll let you guys know what the power numbers are when that happens. So let's head on over here.
You'll have a good one.
Heading back over to the Mustang project we've shown you the past couple weeks. As you can see, the 20-inch Forge line SC3C seals have come. SC3C wheels, excuse me, that's a mouthful. Have come in wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires, ready to go on. Cody's got those mounted up. Big thing I want to show you guys, which you haven't seen yet, is the motor in the engine bay with the twin turbos on the front. Making big gains on this car. Like I said, it should be a 1,000 horsepower build. Really excited to see this come together. Finished up, and the owners right here are here to pick the car up today, actually with Richard. So this is a brand new Ford F-250, and this is the Petty's Garage Edition by Kelderman Trucks. So we're partnered with Kelderman Air Suspension Systems out of Iowa. They're good friends of ours, and we've partnered together to put together a series of these F-250s with our Petty Touch and their suspension systems and bumpers. So we'll look right here. You can see they are the leader in heavy-duty air suspension systems. Their stuff is great, really durable, and awesome for towing. That's kind of the claim to fame. So if you put a trailer on the back of your truck and you see that rear end sag, hit the button, she'll pop back up and it'll be level. We've got MagnaFlow exhaust, like I talked about, the Kelderman bumpers. Look here at the wheels and tires. These are specially made for this series of trucks. So it's a 20-inch fuel forged wheel, black with the petty blue accents. We've got our name and the Kelderman logo engraved into the rim with a 37-inch General Grabber X3. See the amp research steps make this truck really easy to get up and out of. We got RP's signature there on the dash. This truck is a Lariat model, fully loaded. This one is the 6.7 diesel. We've also done a 6.2 supercharged with a Whipple supercharger, and it's probably the only F-250 with a Whipple supercharger on it in the country, because there's a lot of retrofitting you got to do to make that work. The Kelderman front bumper, grill. You see all the rigid LED bars.
If you'll do it on the dash, we're gonna put you to the test at climbing up in there.
What's your secret to staying so thin?
Give me a different pen. Climbing it.
It's quick. It's quick.
Need some?
Make sure it's working.
I'll make sure you get it. You guys up and sign up some high-res pictures. Okay. I'm gonna get a picture of Richard sitting up there for your camera.
There we go.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That wraps it up for this week's episode of Walk Through Wednesday. We really appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.